Hi, I'm Tyson with Race Parts Direct. I'm here to show you how easy it is for you to install our RPD catback exhaust for your late model pickup truck. The first thing you want to do is open up your kit and lay out all the parts on the floor. What I'm showing you now is our basic tailpipe layout for all of our dual exhaust truck systems. This kit was ordered with a 2-chamber flow sound muffler. Along with our flow sound mufflers, we also offer a wide range of name brand mufflers like Flowmaster, MagnaFlow, Cherry Bomb, and for your budget-minded enthusiasts, we also offer some house brand mufflers. We offer this system with a standard bend tailpipe or a higher flowing mandrel bend. In our system, we offer all necessary clamps, hangers, and if necessary, muffler adapters. Not all systems require a muffler adapter. The first step in installing your new catback system is to remove your old tailpipe behind the muffler, right here. The next step is to match up your parts. Make sure that the letters match up and also the line matches up, and secure it with your clamp. The next step is to install your rear hangers first and mock up your tailpipes and leave your clamps loose. Once the tailpipes are mocked up, what you want to do is slide the muffler on, hold it up, and estimate where you need to cut your muffler off from the head pipe. Once you've cut the old muffler off, your next step is to take an angle grinder or a file to deburr the head pipe so that your muffler or your adapter will slide on smoothly. In mocking up your new system and tailpipes, be sure that you're running them clear of any shocks, fuel lines, brake lines, spare tires, or anything else that could be damaged by the heat or vibration. Once your system is mocked up in the correct position, go ahead and tighten up the clamps on your muffler and your head pipe. And the last thing you want to tighten up is your tailpipe clamp. Stainless and chrome tips are an option. They come as rolled edge or a slash cut. Please note the chrome comes as a weld-on only. Now for the best part. You can hear the sound of your new RPD performance exhaust system.